In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted user account in Google Workspace. Whether you're an administrator or simply tasked with managing your organization's Google Workspace accounts, you might find yourself in a situation where you need to restore a user's access after their account has been accidentally deleted. Don't worry, Google Workspace has made it relatively straightforward to recover deleted user accounts, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Google Workspace admin dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, the dashboard is your control center where you can manage user accounts, apps, devices, and settings for your organization. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find a list of key options. Here, you're going to click on Directory. This is the area where all user accounts are managed. Under Directory, you'll see several options, and you'll want to go ahead and select Users. This will take you to the main user management area. Now that you're in the Users section, direct your attention to the upper part of the page. Here, you'll notice a menu that includes several options, and there will be one in particular labeled More Options, with a little drop-down arrow beside it. Give that a click. This drop-down menu is crucial because it houses different utilities that help manage users more effectively. Within the More Options menu, you should see the option titled Recently Deleted Users. Go ahead and click on that. What this does is show you a list of users whose accounts have been deleted recently. Typically, Google Workspace allows for account recovery within a specified period, often 20 days from the day of deletion, so timing is key. Now that you're in the Recently Deleted Users section, you'll see a list of users. If you hover your cursor over the specific user you wish to recover, you'll notice the interface changes slightly to indicate more actions are available. Once you hover over the desired user, you'll see an option to recover them. Click on Recover, and Google Workspace will ask you to confirm this action. It's a straightforward step, but confirming here is important because it ensures the right account gets restored with all available data. By following these steps, you've successfully initiated the recovery process. Once recovered, the user should be able to access their account just like before it was deleted, granted you've restored it within the allowed time period. Always remember, frequent account reviews can help mitigate accidental deletions. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.